What's happening, guys? After last week's video, we had a couple questions regarding how I made my homemade kettlebell, so I just wanted to take you guys through it. Real simple. All I need is 6 parts. You can get them all in the plumbing section of your local hardware store. Really, I did this in, I would say, under 12 bucks. It was all really cheap, really economical. Okay? So first thing I'm going to show you is how to make that handle. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a T-joint, 2 3-inch, I use galvanized steel, 3-inch, 3/4 inch pipe. So this is how you're going to make the handle. Slide one side into the T-joint. Go ahead and screw that other side in. Boom, handle's done, 3 pieces. Next thing we're going to need is our base. I'm going to use a 12-inch, 3/4 inch pipe and a 3-inch, 3/4 inch flange. I'm going to screw the pipe into the flange. From there, I now have my base. Onto that, you can go ahead and slide whatever plates or whatever weight that you have. The last piece you're going to need is going to be a spring clamp. These are super cheap. I think I got this for 50 cents. I'm just going to slide it on right above the plate to keep the plate from sliding up and down. I'm then going to take my handle, in which I've pre-assembled, and screw it on. There you guys go. There is your DIY kettlebell. We'd love to see a video of you guys using it as well.